Hello everyone, I am Pedro Colonia Jr. So, fresh graduate with a degree, Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting at West Visayas State University. So I am here because I was the chosen one.
And just when we discover that we need each other, here our lives keep pulling us away. Now we're both so unstable at the kitchen table with these peanuts.
This certificate of recognition is presented to John Alfred B. Siriaco. Achieved academic excellence as with academic distinction, Bachelor of Arts in English Language at the Northern Iloilo State University, Estancia Campus. Given this gift in July 2024 at the Iloilo Provincial Capital City, signed Attorney Ruel Von B. Superio, Provincial Population Officer, signed Arthur R. Defensor Jr., Governor. Here, John Alfred. Division Chief. Same certificate is presented to Giselle Patricia Rayo. For having achieved academic excellence as cum laude, Bachelor of Science and Tourism Management at the Northern Iloilo State University, Estancia. Same certificate of recognition is presented to Army C. Santoyo for having achieved excellence, academic excellence as magna cum laude, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at the Central Philippine University.
One, two.
So one thing I can describe, one word yung siguro ka ma-describe ng aking experiences is that memorable. Memorable in the sense nga I was able to help ka mga kids nga biskan sa mga pag-reading lang, tapos kanda kami ng mga different activities nga makahelp gid sa ila, maka-socialize sa other kids pagid para ma-lesson man ang mga cases naton sa eskwelahan, no? Especially kung mga away-away kay syempre mga high school kita siga-siga kita ganon. Pero during that time we are trained nga dapat gali ang aton nga peer maging safe space man natin as mentioned kay ni Miss ano no, maging safe space kita ka mga kabataan in which kita mismo, ang mga ilaba lang nga gusto i-share, hindi nila ma-share sa mga teachers, pwede gid mapaagi sa ato.
One, two, three.
It's not just so hard, you'll start to feel so. You get to know sweeping it under the carpet.
Okay, and smile.
It seems so hard, you'll start to
Why?
feel so.
Why? Lakasan pa, lakasan pa. And
You get to know sweeping it under the carpet.
Sir.
I know, and you know it's not just me.
sabi ko masabat mga
I know you feel the same way.
Kamusta?
And I know so. When you're feeling the same way, it's not just me. I know you're feeling the same way.
Once again, congratulations everyone. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.